We're catching up on potholes. We had a rough winter, and it opened up more potholes than normal, so we're just trying to get caught up now. A number of potholes to do. We're looking at approximately 10 areas to focus on right now today. Today we're fixing potholes, like this one right here. We're fixing potholes and just making sure that the citizens have a better ride home, to and from work, all that. My name is Elaine Brown, work in Field Operations Department, 18 years, and I'm a senior crew coordinator. I'm a senior crew coordinator, so I have my own crew, but they called upon me to help out in potholes today, so here I am. But I would say my experience in pothole patching, I would say 10 years. Oh yeah, well I was born and raised here in Winston, so it's in the blood. It's in the blood evidently because my brothers work for the city, my dad worked for the city, I have family members work for the city, so it was just meant to be. You know, so I've been here since 2007, and it's been great. It's been great. Some citizens don't know how to go about reporting a pothole or what to actually say, and we get that and we understand, so we try to be their logic. We try to be their eyes to see this possibly what they could have been talking about here. You call it in, give as much information as possible, and go from there. Contact CityLink. CityLink will help them out. That's 727-8000, you can call that, or 311, and that will definitely put you in the particular area of need. I would suggest when you call in, a citizen call in and report a pothole, to be detailed about it. We've traveled many streets and still to this day haven't found the pothole that was originally called in because the descriptions was distorted. I can't say it's an easy job, but it's manageable. You're dealing with traffic, you know, people on their cell phones, you know, other things on their minds. So you got to make sure when you're out here fixing potholes that you're really focused in on being safe. Well, I had a pothole, it's been some years ago now, and it had actually flowers in it. It had flowers in this pothole. You have to like what you're doing. You have to really get to a point where it's something that's going to be a part of your life until you decide to retire. But while you're here, try to grow. What I try to do is approach it with an open mind situation and put myself in their shoes and try to understand. And most times when you explain what's going on out here and why you're out here and what you're doing, people begin to understand and appreciate it. Yeah, it might take some time to get to you, but just know that we're coming, we're on the way. But I take it as a reward, instant gratification of fixing a need to the citizen.